How much more do you really need to spend to create a beautiful Japandi home? Is it twice the budget or just a simple choices? Today, you'll see a cheap and an expensive Japandi home across the living area, dining area, reading corner, and entrance, and discover what an extra budget can do for the design. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. The cheap version of living area starts with fluted wall panels, which already set a warm Japandi tone without pushing the budget too high. From there, the space is kept simple with a 2 to 3 seater fabric sofa, a basic coffee table, and a small round side table. All of these use neutral colors and simple wood finishes, so the room still feels cohesive even with affordable pieces. To add comfort and texture, a flat woven rug is placed under the seating area, while roller blinds keep the window treatment minimal and cost-effective. Moving to the TV area, a wood slat partition is used together with a laminated wood floating console. This gives a warm wood look without needing expensive solid timber. Simple decor, like framed artwork and small decorative accessories, helps bring personality into the space without increasing the cost too much. Lighting is kept layered but practical, using recessed pin lights, a surface-mounted LED ceiling light, a wooden tripod floor lamp, and LED strip lighting to create a balanced atmosphere. Overall, this cheap Japandi living area costs around $2,100 to $2,500. Now, using the same layout, the living area takes on a more material-focused direction. The wall treatment uses wood frame panels, which gives the space a more structured and detailed backdrop. From there, the furniture shifts toward higher quality materials. A premium fabric sofa is paired with a solid wood coffee table and a solid wood side table. The overall feel becomes more grounded through heavier, more natural materials. Soft furnishings are also more layered, with a wool blend rug, zebra blinds, and a full-height sheer curtain that softens the space and adds depth to the windows. The TV area features the same wood frame panel concept, now combined with an overhead cabinet with open shelving and a custom pivoting TV panel, allowing the TV to rotate between the living and dining areas. Below it sits a custom solid wood floating TV console, creating a more seamless built-in look. Decor is scaled with larger artwork piece and more curated accessories. For lighting, the space includes recessed pin lights, rattan pendant, rattan floor lamp, table lamps, hidden cove lighting, and LED strip lighting, all working together to highlight textures and architectural details. Overall, this expensive Japandi living area costs around $3,000 to $3,800. This cheap version of dining area continues the same Japandi approach, starting with a round wood dining table and fabric dining chairs, keeping the dining simple and affordable. A round woven rug is added underneath to define the dining zone, while roller blinds keep the windows clean and budget-friendly. To make the space feel brighter and open, a large wood-framed mirror is placed on the wall. This is complemented by simple ceramic vase and indoor plants, which bring in a natural Japandi touch without adding much cost. Lighting is kept simple with recessed pin lights and a surface-mounted LED ceiling light, ensuring the space is well lit while staying within budget. Overall, this cheap Japandi dining area costs around $1,900 to $2,300. When the same layout is approached with a higher budget, the window treatment shifts to full-height layered curtains, which adds softness and a more elevated feel to the space. The dining set uses a solid wood dining table, upholstered dining chairs, and a custom built-in upholstered bench, creating a more tailored and cohesive arrangement. A large woven rug anchors the space more strongly, while a large arched mirror becomes a key focal point that enhances the sense of height and openness. Decor is more curated, using higher quality ceramic vases, table accessories, and more intentional indoor plant styling to refine the overall look. Lighting is layered with recessed pin lights, a linear pendant light, and wall sconces, creating a warmer and more atmospheric dining experience. Overall, this expensive Japandi dining area costs around $2,300 to $2,800. This cheap version keeps the reading corner simple while still creating a warm and comfortable space. A fabric lounge chair is paired with a large fabric beanbag, giving flexible seating without the need for custom furniture. A round table adds a small surface for books and personal items. A neutral area rug helps define the corner, while an open wood shelving unit provides storage for books and selected decors. For the windows, roller blinds are used, offering practical light and privacy control while keeping costs low. Lighting is kept cozy with recessed ceiling lights, 2 globe pendant lights, and LED strip lighting, creating a soft atmosphere suitable for reading. Overall, this cheap Japandi reading corner costs around $1,000 to $1,300. Now, using the same layout, the space becomes a more custom and architectural reading nook. The main feature is a custom upholstered window seat with built-in storage, designed to maximize comfort while keeping the space practical. On both sides, custom solid wood shelving is fully integrated into the walls, creating a seamless built-in library feel. Window treatments are upgraded to zebra blinds, offering a more refined finish and smoother light control compared to standard blinds. Lighting becomes much more layered and atmospheric. The space includes recessed pin lights, LED strip lighting, and an adjustable wall-mounted reading light. Together, these elements highlight the joinery and create focused task lighting exactly where it's needed. Overall, this expensive Japandi reading corner costs approximately $2,900 to $3,500. This cheap version keeps the entrance simple while still giving a warm Japandi first impression. A laminated wood shoe cabinet provides practical storage without the cost of custom cabinetry. Behind it, fluted wall panels create a feature wall, while an arched mirror adds depth and makes the narrow space feel more open. Simple decor like a ceramic vase and small accessories adds character without increasing the budget too much. Lighting is kept clean and practical with recessed ceiling lights, providing enough brightness while maintaining the minimalist look. Overall, the cheap Japandi entrance costs around $700 to $1,100. With a bigger budget, the entrance becomes a fully integrated custom space instead of simply a storage area. A custom built-in cabinet with upholstered bench seat, shoe storage below, and overhead cabinets with open display shelving replaces the freestanding cabinet, providing seating, concealed storage, and a cleaner built-in look. A new fluted wall panel now works as a backdrop for everyday items, making the space feel more functional and thoughtfully designed. For lighting, recessed pin lights and a wall sconce create warmer, layered illumination that highlights the custom cabinetry and makes the entrance feel more welcoming. Overall, the expensive Japandi entrance costs around $1,700 to $2,200. As you've seen, both homes follow the same Japandi style. The biggest difference isn't the layout, it's the materials and the attention to detail. So, whether you're working with a smaller budget or planning a premium renovation, good design is about choosing where your money creates the biggest impact. Which version would you choose, the cheap version or the expensive one? Let us know in the comments. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.